This is the Hell's Hollow Trail. This is in McConnell's Mill State Park in Pennsylvania. So far, very easy trail, very flat. You're in the middle of the woods, so there's like no sun in through here at all. Here's another bridge.
You can actually don't even have to go through the bridge. You can go through the water because there's a trail.
Oh yeah, a little trail that takes you across if you wanted to go through the water. Alright, so this is, again, Hell's Hollow. If the water was higher around in through here, we couldn't stand here, but it works out great right now because the water's not too high. We are not far at all into this hike, maybe like 5 minutes or so. We're actually heading up to the falls here at Hell's Hollow, and we're going to have a little picnic, get something to eat, and then might check out a couple of the other trails. There's several of them around here, and it's very easy, very relatively level path. There's a bench right there, and then you got the river 50 feet from you at most, so it's really nice. Huh? Stream, river, creek, babbling brook, whatever you want to call it. There are a lot of different pathways off of this path that take you down into the water. And on the other side of the water, you can't see it from here, but there's the other trail over there. So let's keep checking it out. Now there's some sunlight coming through the trees over here. Another little path that takes you down into the stream. There's that stream again. We came off the main path here and figured we'd check this out here. Let's see, a little fish or something in there, which just takes you to a tree that has fallen. Alright, so this rock right here is literally like in the middle of everything. Right over here where the falls are. And this looks like a good place that we're going to have some lunch. I have this Fiesta wrap from Sheetz. She's got a salad from Sheetz. And then we also had got a whole bunch of like trail mix and stuff like that from Sheetz. So needless to say, Sheetz run and done. This was absolutely beautiful in here. It was very nice down here. Okay, we're on a different trail now because we finished up the Hell's Hollow for the falls. But the one thing I wanted to show you over here is the water coming down this stream off of this bridge. It's like iron or calcium or something is very rich because these rocks are all stained that color and everything else. Makes you wonder. Okay, so we're down there is where the other trail was that led to the falls. And we're up here on the side of this mountain. And the Slippery Rock Trail. I think it's the Slippery Rock Trail, and just heading uphill. Okay, so we're actually going to have to continue this video another day. We will be back to this trail, and we will kind of keep going with it, kind of see where all it goes to and what's in it. So stay tuned for more, and go from there. So y'all have a great day and have a great hike.